This is going to be the Dawn dish soap tutorial for your neon cups that have the pretty little stripes in it. Use Dawn dish soap. So you first want to prep your cup. Make sure that you sanded, you wiped with alcohol, and then you spray painted. I did a white base underneath my neons to make my neons pop more. You want to make sure that your neon paints are completely dry. You don't want them to be wet or else it's going to be a hot mess. So make sure that they're completely dry. So what you're going to need is your prepped cup, your Dawn dish soap, and some black paint. I'm using the 2X flat. You don't want to use a gloss or any of that because it takes forever to dry. So stick to a flat or a matte paint. They dry a lot quicker than the normal gloss dough. And you need to be able to rinse it while the Dawn before it starts running. So try to do a nice even coat of black. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the Dawn soap on it, which I'm going to show you, and then you're going to spray it quickly before the Dawn soap can run with the black spray paint, and then you're going to rinse it. So you want the black spray paint to tack up for, I would say, a minute or two, and then rinse it immediately because the Dawn is going to start to run and move your black paint, and you don't want that. So I'm going to show you all of that, but I wanted to go over it and why I'm moving so fast and not talking beforehand. So I have my prepped cup, so I'm going to just get started. There's no rhyme or reason to this. It's really, really easy. You just want to go with whatever directions you want to go. You can do lines. You want to go up to the top and the bottom, but you can do lines. You can do circles, whatever you want to do. Your imagination is your limit with this cup. So I've got my lines here, and before the Dawn can run, I'm going to spray it with my black paint. And you can see the colors underneath the paint already that the Dawn is holding open. So I'm going to let it sit for a minute. I'm going to rinse it, and then I will show you the finished product. Okay, so I rinsed my cup and you can see all the beautiful colors shining through. So like I said, make sure that your neon paint is completely dry before you add the Dawn dish soap. And then make sure you let it tack for a minute before you rinse it, the black paint. And then you'll wind up with this beautiful neon creation. So this is mine. So the beauty of these cups is that you can do this as many times as you want. So if you feel that you messed up, or if you want more coverage, or you just want different lines in different places, that's okay. Let your cup dry, or dry it off easily with a nice paper towel. Then just go ahead with your Dawn dish soap and spray paint it again. You can switch up the colors. Instead of black, you can do silver or purple or whatever.